Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to add a blur effect to a face, just in case you don't want to show someone's face in your video for any reason. So let's dive in. First, add your video to the timeline, then make a copy of it. Take that copied layer and place it on the second track. Now go to Effects, find the blur effect, and drag it onto that second clip. Now click on the second layer, go to Mask, and choose the circle mask. This shape is really easy to manage for a human face. Just adjust the size of the mask, and if needed, adjust the feather too. Now go to the beginning of the timeline, click on the mask, and hit the keyframe icon. As the character moves in the video, change the mask's position to follow the face, and CapCut will automatically add more keyframes as you go. Keep doing this step by step until the end of the video. Once you're done, press play, and you'll see the blur mask smoothly following the face. If you want to change the strength of the blur, just right-click the top video layer, go to Edit Effect, and you'll see the blur control there. Adjust it to the level you want. Okay, done. Your video is ready.